Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Gemini Exchange account using 2FA recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the recovery process for your Gemini Exchange account, ensure you have access to the email list. Navigate to the Gemini login page. Click on the Forgot Password link beneath the login fields. Enter your email address associated with your Gemini account and submit the form. Check your email for a password reset link from Gemini. Click on the link provided in the email. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password to access your account. If you enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter your 2FA code. If you have lost access to your 2FA method, click on the link for Need Help or Having Trouble with 2FA. You will be directed to a support page where you can find options to recover your account. Submit a request for 2FA recovery through their support system. Provide the necessary details such as your account email and a description of your situation. Make sure to include any relevant information that could help verify your identity. Wait for a response from the Gemini support team regarding your recovery options. Follow their instructions carefully to complete the 2FA recovery process. Once your two-factor authentication is restored, you can log into your account normally. For added security, consider setting up a new 2FA method after regaining access. Keep your recovery codes safe as they can help you in future recovery situations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.